How do I find my Ooma account number? Have you ever been trying to access your Ooma account and realized you can't remember your account number? It's a frustrating situation, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to find your Ooma account number. Ever had that moment when you're trying to make a call and realize you've forgotten your Ooma account number? It's like trying to find your keys in a dark room, isn't it? Well, fear not, because we're about to shed some light on this common dilemma. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that offers affordable and reliable phone calls. But when you need to access your account, having your account number is essential. It's like your digital passport to the world of Ooma. So, let's dive into the steps to retrieve this crucial piece of information. Step 1. Check your Ooma app. The first and often most straightforward way to find your Ooma account number is through the Ooma app. If you haven't already, download and install the Ooma app on your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Ooma credentials. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled Account or Settings. This section should contain your account information, including your Ooma account number. It's usually displayed prominently, so you won't have to search for it. If you're still unable to locate your account number, try searching the app settings or help menu for any relevant terms like account number, account details, or profile. Step 2. Check your Ooma email. If you can't find your account number in the app, the next place to check is your Ooma email. Ooma often sends emails to its customers, and these emails may contain your account number. Search through your inbox for emails from Ooma. Pay attention to the subject lines, as they might indicate that the email contains important account information. Once you find a relevant email, open it and scan the content for your account number. It's usually listed in the body of the email, often near the top or in a separate section. Step 3. Contact Ooma customer support. If you've exhausted the previous options and still haven't found your account number, don't worry. Ooma's customer support team is there to assist you. You can contact Ooma customer support through their website, phone, or email. Provide them with your name, email address, or any other identifying information you have. They will be able to retrieve your account number and provide you with the necessary assistance. Keep your Ooma account number in a safe place for future reference. You can write it down, save it in your digital wallet, or store it in a password manager. If you're having trouble remembering your Ooma password, you can usually reset it by following the instructions provided on the Ooma website or in the app. Finding your Ooma account number is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to locate your account number and access your Ooma account without any hassle. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.